explosive set. Primed over here.
He was actually telling the truth. The mines don't blow us up. Huh. Cool.
That thug's armed with proximity mines.
What's going on?
Mine in position. Priming now.
I just hit someone with a skull.
On me!
This way!
Don't move!
Well, what do you know? You did it. You took them all out. I know I should be sad, but the truth is, I'm happy. Happier than I've been in years. How about you?
I hear you, buddy.
How's it going in there anyway?
It's all good. I'm in position.
Stop doing that. I'm gonna tell Mr. J. What are you? Stop! Don't you dare! What? Did you have... What are you?
All that Protocol 10-fold that Strange has been shouting?
What the hell's his problem? Didn't he give us these guns in the first place?
Yeah, I thought he wanted the Joker to win.
Me too. But don't you think that's kind of crazy? Who spends billions of dollars building a prison and then gives everyone guns?
Look out! That man's here!
How the hell are we gonna find Harley stuck in this elevator?
Thought she went off to get something from Freeze.
She did, and she came back.
Why are we searching?
She probably just got lost. You know what she's like. Still, at least Jay's looking better.
Yeah, man. For weeks he's been locked up in that little room, killing all the doctors who can't fix him. And then suddenly, he's all good.
Jimmy said he just saw him heading out somewhere.
Jimmy's full of crap. I just saw him over in the funhouse.
Really? Weird. Guess Jimmy needs to stop drinking that stuff he found down in the storage rooms. Must be screwing with his head.
We're moving. Thank God.
Why ain't the power back on?
Who did?
No, Batman!
What's going on?
Not me! I ain't doing it! Chicken! Come here, Batman. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Doesn't he get him from Penguin?
No way, man. Those two idiots.
Are you serious? Everyone knows.
Where did the guns come from, then?
How the hell should I know?
I'm telling you, the Joker knows.